Bart, okay ka lang?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just have a feeling, Big Bird. This is going to be a very bad day.
Lancer Knuckles!
Repair status!
Sir, repairs at 50%.
How much time do we need?
Engineering estimates repairs will take around 2 hours, sir.
What? Ganun katagal?
2 hours is not acceptable. General, permission to take command.
Assume command.
Is he a new player?
I don't know, but he looks like a big shot.
Follow these configurations to override damage systems.
Sir, sigurado ba kayo? Mukhang delikado yung pinapagawa niyo.
Hindi! Tama yung solusyon niya. Yep.
Just do it!
General, sino po siya?
You'll know later.
That should hold it for now.
General, gumagana na yung main system natin.
General, the force field barrier is back online. Ang galing niyo!
Activate the barrier.
Welcome to the fight, Dr. Hook.
Steve, naayos na nila yung barrier.
Yes, Jamie, but we still have them to deal with.
Thunder Shuriken!
Everyone, attack! Golden Team, don't waste time anymore. Mag-bolt in na kayo.
Who the heck are you?
You'll know soon enough. But for now, sundin niyo muna ang inuutos ko.
Where's General Robinson?
Pero kulong pa kami, hindi kami makakapag-vote in.
Look behind you!
Hi guys, I'm back.
Yes! Muna tayo!
Little John, buti nakabalik ka.
Sige, Draco. Hayaan mo magsanib puwersa ang 5 yan. Para magtagumpay ako sa aking planong pasabugin ng Voltes 5 gamit ang bomba na tinanim ng aking humanoid.
Alright, team, makapag-vote in na tayo. Let's vote!
Mitsume,
Buo na sila. Zul, pasabugin mo na.
Ang susunod.
Ayaw sumabog. Ba't tayo sumabog? Ayaw tayo sumabog.
Nakita ang bomb na ito na nakatanim sa Vault Frigate. Salamat na lang namin na hindi ito napasabog.
Ba't tayo sumabog? Palpak ang humanoid mo.
Ganso, Aita!
Ultra-electromagnetic beam!
Ayun na! Ayun na! Ayun na! Ay. Ah!
Kayo ngayon.
Alright, game over.
Susunod sa Voltes 5 Legacy.
I am here to help you win this war.
Dahil walang pwede niyong puntahan. It's either you shape up or you ship out. Paulunan mo ng missiles ang Voltes 5.
Pwede tayong mamatay sa mga pinapagawa ni Dr. Who!
Parang sobra naman na ata to eh.
Walang babalik dito sa base hanggat di tayo tapos. Now, execute the V formation at full speed. Natutunan niyo na magpabilis. Now it's time to spin.
Team, get ready to do the spin flight.